Hello everyone, Tech 80 here. Today we are here with Nokia X. HMD Global owned Nokia has officially confirmed that the Nokia X will be launched in China on May 16. The Finland headquartered firm reportedly sends invites for the unveiling of the device, which was spotted on Baidu by Nokia Move. Nokia X will be the first smartphone from the Finnish company to sport the notch display, similar to that of iPhone X. Although this has not been confirmed by Nokia, numerous leaked images of the device have been doing the rounds on social media. No details of the device have been officially announced by the company. However, reports suggest that the phone will sport an almost bezel-less display design. The highlight of the phone will be notch display setup, which has been to go to design on several Android smartphones. Reports also suggest the smartphone may come with a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display screen with an aspect ratio of 19:9 and a screen resolution of 1080x2280 pixels. The phone is expected to be powered by Qualcomm processor Snapdragon 636 or a MediaTek processor MediaTek Helio P60. The device will most likely come in 2 RAM and internal storage option of either 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB memory. According to Nokia Move, the phone sports vertical dual rear camera setup with a lens at the bottom of the camera panel. The phone is expected to utilize curl gauge sensor for the cameras. As expected, the back panel also houses the fingerprint sensor, which has made way for thin bezels. Going by the specification, the phone to be placed in the premium range. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.